The very first mod I installed for Valheim was Better UI. It's a very useful mod that adds several small improvements to the user interface. Unfortunately, the original developer stopped updating it a long time ago, and several key features were broken by the Hearth and Home release. A lot of people think the mod is dead, but actually, it's been reforged. Better UI Reforged is the name of a fork that I created to continue development. It includes bug fixes contributed by the community, improvements, and new features. So what's new in this version? Well, first off, I spent some time cleaning up and reorganizing the config file. I split the options up into more categories, gave the options more descriptive names, and improved the descriptions. You can see here now we have different categories. This one is for the player HUD, so all the changes relating to the player HUD are included here. We also have the character inventory changes all grouped together. Character skills, hover text, the character XP, the enemy HUD, the map, and then I also added a debug option here that you can enable, and this will write some extra information to the log file if you're having issues. There's quite a few options here. So I hope this helps people to better understand what the options are and what they do. Next, I made quite a few improvements to the enemy HUD, which is what appears above an enemy and includes their name and health bar. You can see that there's quite a few options here related to that. Let's take a look at some of the new ones that I added. I've added an option so that you can now display other players' current health and maximum health values in multiplayer. And you can also adjust the size of that text. I've added an option so that you can change a tamed creature's health bar from red to green. That way you know right away if they're tamed or not. I've also added an option to adjust the size of the health stats for enemies and bosses. So enemy, boss, and player stats can all be adjusted independently. I fixed an issue where the level number was not showing up if you had selected the enemy level style options 1 or 2, where it should display the level number before the name of the enemy. I've also added an option so that you can change the enemy alerted status display back to vanilla without disabling all the enemy HUD changes. If the use custom alerted status option is enabled, you will see the new style where the enemy's name color will change from white to yellow if they're aware, and then to red when they're alerted. If you disable that, it will go back to showing the large yellow and red icons above the enemy's name. Alright, well, I hope you enjoy these changes. If you have any questions or comments, you can find me on the Modding Corner Discord server. You'll find an invite link for that on the Thunderstorm mod page. Thank you for watching, and thank you for playing.